I totally understand the ShamWow guy now, because now that I'm on keto, I just want to talk about it all the time. I want to sell you on it all the time. Everybody should be doing it. That's my pitch. Hey everybody, welcome back to Dana of All Trades. Today I have a very special topic, all things keto. So what you need to know is I love keto. It has 100% changed my life, and it is a diet that I swear by. So over the course of my adult life, I have tried every diet exercise that's out there. I've done Advocare, I did 21 Day Fix, I did literally every Shaun T workout that he has, from hip hop abs to size, Insanity, Insanity Max 30, T25, everything in between. I've done it all, and I never got the results that I wanted. I never got results like I have gotten with keto. But before we get into that, I just want to say, somehow I have like 1,200 friends on Facebook and only like 200 subscribers on YouTube. So that's not math. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Many of you have probably heard the word keto, but don't really know what it is. So the whole concept behind the diet is to fuel your body with fat instead of carbs. It's a high-fat, low-carb diet. So forget everything you ever heard about fat. You cannot blame fat for what carbs did. The best thing about the keto diet is that it has never felt like a diet to me. I could still have cheese, I can have bacon, I can have burgers, I could still have alcohol. I don't feel like I'm really sacrificing. So when I first got started, I was really overwhelmed with the keto process. I thought that I had to, come up with all these recipes and become, Martha Stewart in the kitchen, and I will never be that person. So instead, I simplified it. I took all the things that I make all the time and just took out the carbs, took out the bread, took out the mashed potatoes, and substituted things. And that just made keto so much simpler. Instead of doing 1 cup of pasta that is 20 net carbs, I substituted for 1 cup of broccoli that's only 4 net carbs. So it was just small changes like that that made keto so much more manageable. On top of that, I downloaded this app called Carb Manager. It makes counting your macros so simple. So what you do is you put in your weight, you put in how much you wanna lose, and it calculates for you your macros for the day. So it lets you know how many grams of protein, how many grams of fat, and how many grams of carbs you are allowed to eat. Then throughout the day, you just track your food. It's just a super helpful app. Very user-friendly, really simple. If my dad can figure out how to use it, I promise you could figure out how to use it. Besides the weight loss, there's so many other benefits to keto. One, you feel like you have so much more energy. That's because we're not eating so many carbs. Like, carbs make you drowsy, it just drains your soul. So you have more energy throughout the day, you sleep better at night, it actually helps clear up your skin, it could help limit your chances of getting certain cancers and with heart problems. My dad's girlfriend that's been on keto, she has diabetes. She would take a shot of insulin every day, but she's been on keto for 1 year and she's only taken a shot 2 times. So it's helped her immensely, leveling out her blood sugar levels. Not to mention she lost like over 40 pounds. Like, that is insane. And I cannot tell you how many times I have heard, you didn't need to lose weight. I understand that in theory, but in my mind, I needed to lose weight. I didn't feel comfortable being 207 pounds. Like, I just didn't feel confident. I felt very insecure. I didn't like going shopping. I didn't like going to the beach. I hated seeing pictures of myself. Like, it's just weighed on me every day. Now, a year later, I've lost 30 pounds. I went from 207 to 175. I lost 20 inches over my whole body, in my neck, my arms, my waist, my hips, my thighs, all over. But none of that compares to just my overall confidence that has changed. So I started keto as a weight loss solution, but it turned out to be an overall transformation. The confidence that I've gained in 1 year is paramount. And so because of that, I will be a Keto Guido for life. Like, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change. And it is a lifestyle that I can totally get behind. If you're interested in getting started, I'd love to give you any advice that I have, all the tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, and help inspire you and motivate you. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.